students, today I will be starting with similarity from geometry. First we will see ratio of areas of two triangles. If you observe, these are two triangles with base and height, with base and height. As you are aware of, area of a triangle is half into base into height. So I can write this in the ratio form. Area of triangle ABC upon area of another triangle, that is triangle PQR, will be equal to half into base into height upon half into base into height of the another triangle. Therefore, if you observe, half and half get cancelled, so you are left with B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. That is, ratio of areas of two triangles is ratio of their corresponding base and height. So finally we can come to a conclusion that A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Let us see the conditions for ratio of areas of two triangles. First condition, if the heights of both the triangles are equal, that is H1 is equal to H2. You can see the figure, triangle ABC, and in triangle PQR you have equal height but you have different bases. As we know, the ratio of areas of two triangles is given as A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Since their heights are equal, it can be written as A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H1, where H1 get cancelled. So you get ratio of their areas as ratio of their bases. So always remember, when the heights are equal, then the ratio of the areas is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Let's see condition 2. It says if the bases of both the triangles are equal, that is B1 is equal to B2. You can see in the figures, you have common base with different heights. As we know, the ratio of the areas of two triangles A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Since the bases are equal, the ratio of areas will be B1 into H1 upon, will replace this B2 by B1 into H2. B1 get cancelled, you get the ratio of their heights. Therefore, always remember, when you have equal bases, the ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. Let us see condition 3. Condition 3 states if the base and height of two triangles are equal, that is B1 is equal to B2 and H1 is equal to H2, then we know the ratio of the areas of two triangles is B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. If you see, B1 is equal to B2, H1 is equal to H2, substituting those, we get B1 into H1 upon, and replace B2 by B1 and H2 by H1. So H1 get cancelled, B1 get cancelled. So the ratio of areas of two triangles comes to 1 upon 1, or you can write their areas are equal. So these are the three conditions for ratio of triangles. Let us start with practice set 1.1. I'll read the question for you. Base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of these triangles. Let us start. Here we know B1 is 9, H1 is 5, B2 is 10, H2 is 6. As we know the properties of areas of triangle, A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Let us substitute the value. B1 9, H1 5, B2 10, H2 6. 9 5s are 45, 10 6s are 60. If you see, both are the multiples of 15. 15 3s are 15 4s are. So it is 3 upon 4. Therefore, ratio of areas of the triangles is 3 upon 4. Let us see example number 2 from the practice set 1.1. We know that in figure BC is perpendicular to AB as well as AD is perpendicular to AB, where the value for BC is given as 4, value for AD is given as 8. If you observe both the triangles, they have a common base. They have a common base. Therefore, the ratio of these triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights, since their base are equal. Now we'll substitute the value. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB will be equal to, what is H1 for triangle ABC? Height is BC. So write here BC. For triangle ADB, height is AB. We'll substitute the value. Value for BC is 4. Value for AD is 8. It can be simplified as 4 1s are 4 2s are. Therefore, this can be written as 1 upon 2. Therefore, ratio of area of triangle ABC and triangle ADB is 1 upon 2. Let us start with sum number 5 from the same practice set. If you observe the figure, in figure PQ is perpendicular to BC as well as AD is perpendicular to BC, and they are asking you to find the ratio of their areas of triangle. Let's start with the first one. Area of triangle PQB and triangle PBC. If you observe both the triangles, their heights are equal, so you will get the ratio of their bases. Now, what is the base of the triangle PQB? PQB, the base is PQ. Similarly, the base of triangle PBC is BC. So this way we got the first ratio of the triangle. Now we'll see the second one. In triangle PBC, this triangle, and triangle ABC, triangle ABC. If you see the bases, that is BC is common. Therefore, here you will get the ratio of their heights. And for height for triangle PBC is PQ, and the height for ABC is AD. Now we move to the third one. In third one, they are asking you to find the ratio of the triangle ABC and triangle ADC, where the height is equal. So you get the ratio of the bases B1 upon B2, since the heights are equal. So what is the base of triangle ABC? ABC. The base is BC. Whereas base for triangle ADC is DC. Similarly, we can find the ratio of the fourth, that is area of triangle ABC and PQC. Here, not base is equal, not height is equal, so we will be using the first property, that is B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. So what is the base for triangle ADC? ADC. The base is DC, height is AD. Similar way, the corresponding base and height for triangle PQC will be base is QC and height is PQ. So this way you get all four ratios. Thank you.